purchase order. When we want to prepare purchase order for any business purchase, then always we will use purchase order voucher. Point is to be noted, right now we are only preparing purchase order, not purchasing anything. Here we will prepare one purchase order so you can clear your concept that how you will prepare your business purchase orders. Here in purchase order window, we have two main tabs. First is main tab and the second is search tab. Search tab is only searching tab to search the already prepared orders and details of those orders. In main tab we will fill the purchase order details. In main tab, first field we have serial number field. Serial number field is automatic field. You don't need to add here anything. Next is voucher number field. Voucher number field is also automatic field. Software automatically generates valid voucher number for each purchase order. Next is date field. In date field, software always pick the current date, but this is editable field. You can change it if you require it. Next is validity. Validity field designed to select that date till which you want your order should be valid. Your purchase order should be valid. Suppose today is 1st August and I selected 10 August. I selected 10 August that I want this purchase order should be valid till 10 of August. Next is account field. In account field, we will choose our supplier account for which supplier we are preparing purchase order. Suppose I choose my supplier Spackwian Holdings. In this field, we have plus sign button. This is facility for you to add the supplier account if you already not added the supplier from the proper supplier definition. Next is purchase officer field. In this field, we will choose purchase officer from the drop down. Suppose I choose my purchase officer Bilal. Next is other information. We have plus sign at the bar of other information. When I will click this plus sign, here some additional information would be appear. This is optional information. If you require, then you can fill, otherwise can skip it as well. Here I will fill prepared by. Prepared by means the person who is preparing this purchase order. Suppose it's Asim. Next is supplier name. Here we will add the supplier name for which we are preparing purchase order. Suppose it's Spackwian. Mobile number. In this field we will add mobile number of the supplier. Next is remarks field. Relevant to purchase order, you can mark here anything. Next is barcode. Here we will add the barcode of the item for which item we are preparing purchase order. Suppose my item barcode is. Next is shortcut. In shortcut field, you don't need to choose any shortcut. Shortcut will be auto selected when we will choose the item. Next it is item. Here I will select my item for which I want to prepare purchase order. Suppose my item is scanner. When I select the item, shortcut automatically get filled. Here in this field I also have plus sign inserting button. You can add the item from here if you already not added any item from the proper product definition. Next is quantity field. Here I will add quantity for which we are preparing purchase order. Suppose I fill 5 quantity for the scanner. Next is rate field. Rate field is automatic field. Here automatically rate get filled from the product definition, but this is editable field. If you want to change the rate, you can change it. Suppose I want to prepare it on 16,000. Next is gross amount field. Gross amount field is automatic field. Software automatically will calculate the gross amount. Next is discount percentage. Discount percentage field is autofill based on item selection, but this is editable field. You can change this purchase discount percentage and can also remove this percentage if you don't want to continue it. Next is discount per unit. Same like discount percentage, discount per unit amount field is also autofill and editable field. You can edit the amount and can remove as well. Next field is amount excluding tax. This is automatic field. Software automatically calculate the excluding tax amount. You don't need to calculate it by itself. Next is tax percentage. Here we will add tax percentage for this purchase order. This is optional field. If you are not taxpayer, then you can skip it. Next is tax amount percentage. Same like tax percentage, here we can fill the tax amount, or if we don't want to fill this amount, then can skip it. This is optional amount. Next is amount including tax. Amount including tax field is automatic field. Software automatically calculate the including tax amount. You don't need to calculate it by itself. Next we are watching the plus sign. This is inserting button, edit button. With the help of this button, we will add the above details in the grid. I click this plus sign. Above details get added in the grid. If we want to edit the details in the grid, then under the action button, edit and delete, two options are available. You can edit the details and delete as well if you require. Under the grid, we have some more fields. First is discount percentage, second is discount amount. If on the above purchase order, total purchase order value, have you any discount percentage and discount amount, then you can fill in these fields. Same next is expense percentage and expense amount. If you have any expense on the above purchase order, then you can fill percentage in expense percentage field and can fill the expense amount in expense amount field. If there is no expense on the above purchase order, then you can skip this field. Next is net amount field. Net amount field is automatic field. Software automatically calculate the net amount. You don't need to calculate it by itself. After filling the details, now we will save this voucher with the help of save button and can use the short key F10 as well.